Like solving problems? What do you do when you need to find a certified teacher to teach 8th grade math to about 90 students? It's a pretty common problem for schools nationwide.
We try to make sure that we have highly qualified and certified teachers in all areas, but we find that in math or science, it's very hard to fill. We have to get long-term substitutes, or teachers may have to give up their planning time to teach a particular class.
That problem was facing Sandra Taylor at the start of this school year. After making a few calls and doing some research, a solution was found. This is not a computer class, but pre-algebra. Students are learning from an instructor from Proximity Learning, a company in Austin, Texas. The company makes certified teachers in specific content areas available to teach students online.
It's wonderful. They get a teacher for an hour every day. They're getting activities through the computer. They're still collaborating with each other in the classroom.
The kids are very tech savvy. They're already used to receiving instruction as far as on the smart board and things of that nature.
The pilot program was launched in late September at Milton Summers Middle School. Students sit down at a computer, put on a headset, wait for their teacher to appear on screen, and class begins.
I like it. I like that we have more than one attempt to do work, so that if we ever not understand it, we can do it again. If you ever have a question, once again, you can just shoot it in the chat box.
It's less writing, and I usually working with myself. I'm working as with people.
You can work out the problem through a computer. It's just fun. And then the other day we played Jeopardy, and that was fun. I mean, it was hard, but it was fun.
Another advantage is the environment.
It's quieter. I feel like people are more behaved than would be in an actual classroom.
Sometimes the disruptions that you may have in that traditional setting, we just have not seen that.
While students are being taught online, there is another teacher physically in the classroom to perform duties like passing out papers and making sure students are on task. The classroom teacher will collaborate with proximity learning teachers during the week to work on lesson plans, assignments, set up test dates, while also giving their feedback on how each class is doing. It's a win-win-win scenario because students are learning, one teacher isn't trying to teach 30 students by themselves, and principals have options staffing their schools.
There are some very, very good long-term substitutes. So if you're able to find a long-term substitute that has a degree in that area of need, it could be great.
And they hear the lesson 3 times a day. So then they are able to answer some more questions. They're learning with the students.
Proximity learning does come with some limitations. Each course costs Charles County Public Schools $11,000. Schools need to allocate resources efficiently to make sure each student has a hardwired computer that has one of these cameras attached. But the pros outweigh the cons exponentially.
It's wonderful. I really can't see any negatives to it.
We all had our hesitations, but really at the end of the day, we're seeing them learn. They're performing similar to the classes, with our other math teachers. They're building relationships with the teachers through the screen. We have had such a positive experience with it.